Right now, because of the upper body here, you look very smooth here. But when you put your emphasis on the upper body, this is always forgotten. So just leave this here. Do not do this anymore. Just leave it here. Only move your quad. This is how you move your quad. Your quad is coming out. Now, as you do that, you bend your knee like this here. Can you see it's bigger? Can you see it's much bigger? Because again, when we do isolated exercises, we do not care what happens to the rest of your body. We care about the range has to be bigger.
No.
So if I give you one stick and point here, so that way you can see the distance. Now this one you point at me here. If I give you a little bit range here, so you point at me here. So let's say here, let's call this 1 foot. 这是1尺远啊. This is 1 foot. So you see the distance here. This is the vertical. 这是竖的，这是1尺远离的. This is 1 foot horizontal. So this line is 90 degrees here. So at the beginning, we're only doing this move here. Now we want the quad to move this way. We don't want the quad to move like this. 我们现在需要呢，这是竖的，这是横的，看这个地方，这个胯的距离，我们就要看这个，别的不要看。So now, when you are doing the posture, it's very difficult to create any range here. Can you see the range is very small? If you forget it and go like this, can you see the range? Now you actually can go like this. Can you see here how far I can go? This is how far you can go.